Oh, no, right over there.
I have a new housing.
Oh, you're doing good. You're doing good.
I'm so short.
I know you're short, but that's okay. So am I. I lost my finger. There we go. All right, now I gotta get my tape. Welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we got something a little bit different. We got a package from Fatheads. Now, I know there's all this politically correct stuff going on today, but no, really, the company's called Fatheads. And if any of you sports guys know, there's a lot of sports figures and footballs and baseballs and all kinds of stuff that you could put up on your wall, and it's from a company called Fatheads. And I got an email the other day and they said, hey, we have Hot Wheels Fatheads. And I said, okay, I'm in. That's all you gotta say is we got Hot Wheels and I'm in. So they sent me a Fathead, a Hot Wheel Fathead, and I'm gonna put it up here in my office right behind my desk. So let's take it one step at a time. We're going to go slowly and see how to put it up, right? Okay, so this is the box that it came in. Very, very, very secure. I'm going to put it up over here. All right, now, in the box is this great big rolled up decal. You see it says Hot Wheels on it already. And inside there also is this squeegee. So I'm guessing that squeegee is going to help us put it on the wall. But right now we're going to take down this picture of this guy here. I have no idea who this guy is, but, take that down. All right. Put this somewhere. Now I was gonna put it in my Hot Wheel room, and but I can't do that right now because the Hot Wheel room is all torn apart, and I really wanted to get this video out for the guys at Fatheads, and so we're gonna put it here. And the cool thing about Fatheads is you can put them up and take them down, put them someplace else. All right, so we're gonna take this one, we're gonna put it up here. We're gonna open it up, and the instructions are right here on the side. All right. So take this, open it up. Put that over there. And it says installation instructions. Number 1, get ready. Fathead wall decals adhere well to smooth indoor surfaces. Check out what we recommend below. All right. Glass, painted drywall, metal, smooth walls, sanded wood without lacquer. Inside, temperature-controlled environments. Not recommended. Brick, textured walls, unpainted drywall, cinder block, porous textured paneling, freshly painted walls. Wait 30 days after painting before putting up your Fathead decal. All right, so if you guys are going to be doing a Hot Wheel room or doing your kids' room or whatever, you paint the room, you got to wait 30 days before you put this up. All right? Okay. All right, step 2, get clean. Clean the wall with a warm, damp cloth. Let it dry. Please do not use soap or cleaning agents. They can keep your decal from sticking. Number 3, get help. Most Fathead wall decals are as big as you. Well, as you guys can see, and if you ever met me, I'm not that big. All right? So, and they're sticky too. If you let it stick to itself or to you, then you'll be in trouble. Like I've never been in trouble before. Avoid trouble. I never avoid trouble. Avoid trouble by having someone help put it up. All right, so we're going to have to get some help to put this up. And number 4, get it on. Is that like get it done? Start at the top of your Fathead decal and carefully peel it from its backing. Place one corner on the wall and slowly smooth the rest into place using minimal pressure. Okay. If you make a mistake, gently peel the decal off the wall and move it. We included a yellow plastic squeegee. To help get out wrinkles or air bubbles and to make the decal really stick to the wall. We promise you'll be happier if you use it. Start from the middle of your wall and push it to the edges. Oh, keep the backing in case you want to move the decal to a new location. Remember that, like I said, you can take these and you can put them up and you can move them somewhere else. All right? So if you look at it and you put it up and say, oh man, I don't like it there, you can move it someplace else. But I'm going to tell you, make sure that it is clean, that the wall is clean, so there's nothing on the back here when you take it off, because it's not going to stick later. All right? So let's give it a try, and we'll see what we can do. All right? So, oh, hey, there's stuff inside. Oh, anything else? Okay, there's something inside. What's inside? Oh, all right. Oh, there's the receipt. And final installation instructions. All right, we already got that. We read that on the side. All right. So, put that on the desk here. We have, this is Hot Wheels monster truck fire engine. So, you know what? I'm wondering if this wall is going to be big enough. I thought it was going to go this way, and I think it's going this way. Man, oh man. Yep. We have just enough room. All right. So, let's, we're going to wipe the wall down, and then we're going to try to put this up. So stick around. Give me a second. Wipe it up. Be right back. So the nice thing about your wife not being home, you can go get a washcloth so you can wipe the wall down. So we're going to wipe it all down. Just some warm water. I'm going to take those out later. So another thing, you got to make sure that you have enough wall space. Like I said a minute ago, you know, I thought it was going this way, and it goes this way. This thing is huge. This is like 6 foot here. Yeah, it's about 80 inches. So it's over a little bit over 6 foot. So we're going to wipe this down. Get whatever dust is on here off of here. Now you guys know that I just redid my office a couple months ago, so it's been 30 days. Did everything in here, man, oh man. Spent a lot of time, a lot of money, a lot of work. So, and here we are. All right. So, we're gonna let this dry. Hey, that's pretty good. Not even dirty. All right, let that dry. I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got my granddaughter Paisley with me, if you can see her all the way down here. And I have measured out the center of the wall and I measured the center of the decal. All right. So now the whole package there, you take the decal off of the backing. So I marked the backing at the center. I got some this is painter's tape up here so it doesn't stick to everything, really hard. And we're going to put it up here, and we're going to find the center, and then we're going to pull it back. All right. To me, I think that's the best way to do it. I've seen, I've done this with cars. Normally we spray a lot of water on the car and then put the decal on. You can move it all around, but we can't. I don't think we can do it with this one. So we're going to put it up there, pull it back, and see how we do. All right.
This is so hard to do.
No, it's not. All right, now you come around this way.
Okay,
Go that way.
that way. Put it up.
All right, here.
Up, 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 up,
You
up, up.
hold the end.
There's a sticker on there.
I know. Just hang on. Hold the
It's a
stick.
sticker
Hold the end.
that you stick on.
I know. Just hold it, okay?
And the Hot Wheel TV logo's backwards.
That's not our Hot Wheel TV logo for anybody. All right, so there's my center. Hold that in right over there.
I have a new outfit, guys.
Oh, you're doing good. You're doing
I'm
good.
so short.
I know you're short, but that's okay. So am I. I lost my
are
center.
short.
There we go. All right, now I gotta get my tape.
It's not straight.
We'll make it straight. Hang on.
It goes down once. It goes
Well,
down the
it
hill.
really doesn't matter
It's
because.
like it goes down the hill.
Oh, well, like I said, this comes off
So you have to take it off.
of the backing. All right. Yeah. So now I gotta figure out a way to get this
To get it off.
of the.
Paper, the backing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but this is just like my mini one, so I'll teach you.
Wow.
So, see it right here. Find the star. I think it's right down here. Okay.
I got it.
Oh. Just be very careful.
Okay.
Just very careful.
All right. Now,
Start and length. Yep. And go all around the tile.
gotta make sure that you don't rip it. This is really good vinyl. It's a really thick vinyl.
This is so thick.
It is. That's good, huh?
Yeah. Well, we don't make it snap.
All right. Here.
Oh, yeah.
Put your
there's
hand
half
here.
of it.
Put your hand here.
Right there.
Yeah, right there.
And make sure you be very careful with this. I have 2 hands on it.
I don't know if we're gonna be able to do this.
I don't know. That's just half. You have to start pulling up the gray part.
Well, let's see. What I'm trying to do is just get half of it,
Half of it done.
and then I can
Do it off.
stick it to the wall and pull the vinyl away.
Oh, yep.
Okay.
Oh, yep. Time to go.
So, no, you stay right there.
Okay, I see they drawn it out
Yeah.
and then put the thick stuff on it.
Alright, we're gonna put this right there. Alright?
No, this smells
Alright, here,
like
you hold it right there.
This smells like stickers.
Smells like vinyl, doesn't it?
Yeah. Ooh, that's sticky.
Yeah, I know. You know what we're gonna have to do? We're gonna take the whole thing off.
What?
Yep, we're gonna take the whole thing off and walk over with the sticker. And I'm gonna put one little mark in here.
Sticker. Yeah.
Where'd my pencil go?
Silly Grandpa.
There we go. Alright. So let's go. We're gonna take this down. We're gonna take the whole sticker off of the back.
Okay.
Alright.
Oh.
There is the center. Alright, now
I can tell it's very nice and good.
the first thing they said was don't let it get stuck to itself.
Uh-huh.
All right, so guess what we did? We got it stuck to itself. Okay, so we are going to start in the middle.
Yep, definitely in the middle.
And push up.
Mm-hmm. No, kick that there. Start in the middle and then push up if you have one of these at home.
No, the kids aren't going to do this. This is something that a grown-up has to do. Actually, here, 2 grown-ups have to do this.
Yes.
Because you're going to need lots of hands.
Yep, and you can watch if you want.
To get all of their air and the wrinkles out. And like I said, we start in the middle, work our way out.
Yeah. No air bubbles.
Yeah, gonna push on it pretty good. Start in the middle, work your way out.
Mommy even has this kind of vinyl, and she
Yeah.
still has to push really hard.
Well, don't we have to put the ones up in your sister's room?
Oh, yes.
Yeah.
And it's a big, ginormous one.
A big, ginormous one.
It's
What's the one?
not as giant as this one. No.
Alright, so you know what else we gotta put on here now?
What?
We have to put the Hot Wheel logo.
Yes.
Yeah.
And the monster.
Let's do that. And we are going to put this right over those holes. There we go. And let's get the monster truck one. And I think we should put it
Right there.
right here, huh?
Because it was right there.
Was it right there?
Yeah. Oh, it's not sticking.
I want to make sure it's square.
Right. It's called straight. The real saying is straight. Let me get our squeegee.
Now that looks good, right?
Yeah.
All right.
Good.
And here it is, our Fatheads Hot Wheels Monster Fire Truck. Thank you, Paisley.
Welcome.
I appreciate your help. And if you are going to do this, you're going to need 2 adults.
Yes.
You know, she was very helpful, but not helpful enough in the height range, okay? So definitely use 2 adults to do this. And make sure you don't stick it to itself, because man, it is something else when you try to unstick it. Thanks to our friends at Fatheads for sending this to us. And I hope you guys, they have like 40 some odd different Hot Wheels, yeah, different Fatheads, different pictures, different all kinds of different stuff, along with the sports ones that they have. But of course, I like the Hot Wheels stuff, right?
Yes.
Yeah, all right. So until the next time we see you here at Hot Wheels TV, thanks for stopping by. Make sure you check out Fatheads and find yourself some Hot Wheels Fatheads for your Hot Wheel room or for your children's bedroom or your garage or whatever. I think this will look really cool out in the shop, you know. So thanks for watching Hot Wheels TV. Please share our videos. Please tell your friends. Please subscribe. Hey, 26,000 subscribers. That is awesome. And of course, please be kind to one another. So again, until the next time we see you right here.
Make sure to watch Paisley TV.
Make sure to watch Paisley TV too with your little ones. We'll see you somewhere real soon. Take care of yourselves. Bye-bye.